In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure advanced settings in QuickBooks Online. This walkthrough will help you confidently set your accounting preferences, automation, language, currency, and other important company options so your books behave exactly the way you need. Start by selecting the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, then choose Account and Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Advanced. Everything will update is organized here by section. In the Accounting section, set the first month of the financial year to January. This anchors your fiscal reporting to a January start, which many businesses use. For the first month of the tax year, choose Same as Financial Year to keep reporting aligned and consistent. Set your accounting method to Accrual. This recognizes income and expenses when they're earned or incurred, which typically provides a clearer picture of performance over time. Make sure Close the Books is off. With this off, you can still make changes to past periods. Just keep in mind that changes can affect prior reports. Set the default tax rate selection to Exclusive of Tax. This means item prices don't include tax by default, and tax is added on top. Under Company Type or Tax Form, choose Small Business Corporation, 2 or more owners, so QuickBooks can tailor forms and defaults accordingly. For Chart of Accounts and Enable Account Numbers, turn this off to keep your list simpler if you don't need numbering. Move to Automation and turn on Pre-fill forms with previously entered content. This speeds up data entry by reusing details from prior transactions while still letting you edit anything before saving. Under Language, select English. In the Currency section, set your home currency to Philippine peso. Your home currency determines how reports and totals display. Choose the currency you use for your primary books and financial statements. Now open Other Preferences. Set the date format to MMDY, which standardizes how dates appear across transactions and reports. Set the currency format to $123.56 for clear, 2 decimal figures with a thousands separator. Turn on Warn Me if duplicate check number is used to prevent accidental duplicate payments. Leave Warn Me if duplicate journal number is used set to Off, if you prefer manual control or custom numbering. Finally, set Sign Me Out if inactive for 1 hour. This balances convenience with security by logging you out after an hour of inactivity. That's it. You have successfully set up your advanced settings in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.